Hi everybody, thank you so much for joining us here for another video. So my name is Kirk with Tactical Options Trading, and we make videos about the stock market and options trading. If you'd like to learn more, I hope you'll check out our YouTube channel where we make videos like this on a consistent basis where we talk about the stock market, options trading, trading credit spreads, iron butterflies, all kinds of good things like that. So if you haven't already, I hope you'll consider subscribing and clicking that bell while you're at it so that you don't miss out on any future updates. All right, guys, welcome back. I want to welcome back all of our subscribers. We appreciate you guys watching our videos. Hopefully you're finding some good content here on our channel. You guys, I kind of want to go off script today and just talk about kind of the path that you'll take as an options trader. So, a couple of key points I just wanted to talk about today. When people start to find out what I do, trading options and things like that, everybody kind of gets excited initially and talking about trading in the stock market in general. Everybody has a good story about somebody who's made a lot of money or lost a lot of money in the stock market. But, bottom line is everybody just wants to make money in the stock market, but nobody wants to learn how to actually do it. They just want to make money. I just want to make money. That's all we hear is, I just want to make money in the stock market. The funny thing is nobody really wants to put in the time and the effort that it takes to learn how to trade. So, you think about any profession in general. Let's talk about a surgeon, for example. A surgeon, no surgeon is going to come in and become a surgeon and just like all of a sudden start operating without going to school and becoming a resident in a hospital, going through 12 years of school, learning all kinds of stuff. Nobody's going to let them just go in and start doing surgery. How long do you think they'll last? You can apply that with any type of business or profession out there. You have to know you have to put in the time. You got to put in the time, guys, right? I mean, you can't just come in expecting to make $1 million in the market or even making $10 in the market if you don't even know what you're doing. So it takes time, guys. Always stay learning. There's a plethora of information out there. I mean, there's so much information. I think about when I first learned and started learning to trade options. Everything just seemed like so Greek is a good word because, we use a lot of Greeks in options. But everything seems so Greek, like none of it made sense. But the more you did it, the more you started watching videos, the more you just started getting in there and getting on the platform and clicking buttons and doing things like that, of course, safely so that you don't blow up your account and you don't make trades that you shouldn't be making and understanding those type of things. You just got to get in there and do it, and just keep learning every time. Document your trades, learn from your mistakes. We're going to make mistakes as traders. You got to learn from your mistakes. Document those. Realize that we're going to make mistakes. Nobody's going to be a perfect trader. I think when people start losing on a trade, they think, man, I can't do this, But the bottom line is you're going to have losing trades, and you have to learn how to manage those trades and then just make the trades that you win bigger, make more winning trades or make bigger winning trades than the losers. I promise you guys, it'll get easier. I promise you. But you got to put in the screen time. You got to sit in front of the screen. You got to watch the markets. You got to learn the flow, the ebb and flow of the markets. You got to understand when you're trading options, the different styles that there are out there. You got to learn those strategies. Work on one for a while, perfect that one, go to something else and start perfecting that one. But so many people are like, I just don't have the time. I'll do it when this happens. I'll do it when that happens. Time. There's never going to be a right time. If you want to learn how to trade options or trade stocks or trade in general, the time is now. Start learning now. I mean, open up yourself a platform, start paper trading, learn stuff now while you can. Start saving up money if you don't have that money. But I promise you guys it'll get easier. And all of a sudden you're just going to have these moments where things are just going to start to click. And you'll be able to understand the markets, and every day you're going to have aha moments. But bottom line is, guys, find out what your why is. Why do you want to do this? Why do you want to learn how to trade? For me, I want to build a retirement, build a better life for my family. That's why I'm doing this, and that's what motivates me to watch videos and continue to learn and grow and become a better trader and hone those skills so that I can be the shark in the water when I'm in the market. and not the one who's getting eaten alive. You know, those who don't put in the time are the ones who get eaten alive. Guys, I just wanted to put this little video together, just a little motivational to help you guys understand that things get easier. You guys are going to learn everything you need to know if you just stick with it. Most traders will quit in the first year. Just put in the time, put in the screen time, guys. Hope this has been helpful. Catch you later, guys. See ya.